This is how to invoke the Amazon Prime app on your Samsung 9000 series TV. The TV has a voice remote, and you can press the microphone here at the top of the remote. Amazon Prime. And put in Amazon Prime. And do a search. Press the middle button. There's a video app there. So press the middle button here again, right here. The Prime app will load. And now if you're logged in, you can watch whatever you want to watch. So pick something and just watch it. In this example, I'll pick the Romanovs here. You could move around and pick whatever you want to pick. And you can highlight the movie, press the middle button to select it, and press the episode you want, and you're all set. On this one, I can say, play from beginning. There you go. It'll play. So that's how to use the Amazon Prime app from your Samsung TV. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.